Did you know that you can easily translate the text on your site with just a few clicks? Powered by Google Translate, the Translate with Google tool is a great tool to help you quickly build multiple language versions of your website. In a previous video, I've showed you how to build a multilingual website with the Website.com website builder, and be sure to check out that video before you watch this one. So when you're ready to translate the elements on your page, after you've cloned pages to a new language, you can go ahead and translate the text to their relevant language using Translate with Google. So for example, I'm going to go to the About page for my Spanish language. So I'll click on the language Spanish that I've added earlier, click on Pages, and then click on About. So to use Translate with Google for this text, I'm going to click on it, and in the mini toolbar, I can click on this Translate icon right here. So find the language that you want to translate this text to, and I'm going to translate it to Spanish, and click Translate. Now the text has been translated. When you use this tool, be sure to proofread the text and make sure that the grammar flows and isn't robot-like. If you want to translate the text on a card element, for example, this one right here, the easiest way to use the Translate with Google tool is to click on the card and click Manage Content. Now you'll see that you can click Translate for each area of the card that you want to use Translate with Google for. You can also click through the cards, so you can translate multiple parts of the card. When you're finished translating the card, just click Save. To make all of your changes go online, make sure that you publish your website changes. So that's it. It's so easy to quickly translate your website content using our Translate with Google tool. Be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos, and as always, thanks for watching.